I'm so thrilled and excited to be here. Thank you so much for joining us on this evening. In life, we all are driven by a purpose, be it money, wealth, ambition, love, anything. But at the most raw level, we all want to satisfy that itch, that khujli, that keeps us nagging to go beyond our own limits, that forces us to dream, and that asks us to wake up every morning. But still, we live with that itch helplessly. After getting one thing done, we move on to another just to satisfy that itch. Let me tell you a story about a girl who has this itch of fixing everything in and around her. It started with fixing the atmosphere of the house, the tension between friends or at a workplace, and carrying the same itch into her relationship after her marriage. Yet her itch was not satisfied. She kept on fixing things and people around her, thinking herself Mataji in others' life. Hold, behold, will come one day, then people will realize her worth and worship her for the sacrifices she made. They would adore her and respect her, and her name will be written in the golden letters in the history of humankind for being so loving and caring. But a few pieces of appreciation here and there on her way solidify her belief that she was on the right track. But that itch, it kept on increasing. लेकिन उसको तो कम होना चाहिए था ना. When she had her first child, she faced postpartum depression, which she was not even aware of. There was a huge crack in her belief when she couldn't find anyone to hold her, understand her, and be there with her the way she wanted. It took an immense toll on her emotional well-being and mental health. The tsunami of the emotion came threatening with the second one when she was not able to cope up with the demand it raised. She felt incompetent, incomplete, underconfident, and in the pit of huge self-doubt, which weakened her decision-making power. She found that nobody was happy around her and with her. लेकिन उसने तो अपनी सारी जिंदगी दूसरों की खुशियों का ही सोचा था. फिर कैसे हुआ? She felt she doesn't deserve living because she cannot make anybody happy. She became like a sponge, a little rub, and she would be overwhelmed. There was immense pain she could not relate or navigate. Her heart felt so heavy that she cried, but she didn't have the reason why. Scared to share because she didn't want to feel judged and simply not ready to take any loose comment on her. Life is not that dark constantly as you must have started feeling listening to me. It showers happy moments on us, and there are people in our life who genuinely care for us. But they are not responsible for our happiness. The actual question here is to not lose ourselves in the journey called life, to not lose our joy in our intimate relationship, and not to carry that baggage of emotions like guilt, blame, anger, hatred, complaints with us throughout. It becomes so heavy that it will not allow you to breathe, and you end up tagging yourself as loser or a doormat in your own eyes. But I'm so thankful for that khujli. वो हमें इतना परेशान करती है कि हमको अपना रास्ता ढूंढना ही पड़ता है. So that is me, standing here and talking itself means कि मुझे मेरी खुजली को ठीक करने का उपाय मिल गया है. I am a chartered accountant who started working after the gap of 12 years. I published my first book last year and was out in the public with my emotions and my thoughts. I am a trainee counselor and an EAR coach. And most important thing, I learned driving last year, which used to trigger anxiety in me. And luckily, I have not killed anybody yet. Magic is nothing but the belief in yourself. Cornish gave me that wand to do some magic on myself. If my way was not working, then I need to change my way. But how? I came here with the intention to help those who were as lonely as me and in that painful state. But I never knew that my pain can be healed I can have a new set of dreams to achieve, and I can feel being loved. Doing inner child healing session with Devilina ma'am healed me in true sense. I got answers of my lots of why, जिन्होंने मेरी पूरी जिंदगी परेशान करके रखी थी. Once you realize that you are the key to your own happiness, it's liberating, it's magical, and it makes your heart go lighter like feather. When Pragati ma'am tells you to owe whatever it is, good or bad, and walk confidently, it hits you in the right spot. You get a community who gives you the confidence to share and feel whatever you want to. Because we all are in the journey with our own baggages, the best we can do is to be there for each other empathetically. Once I broke the shackle of my own belief, I am in the continuous process of becoming my own better version. I believe only I can color my blank canvas and nobody else. If I practice self-love, I have lots of love to give to this world. And when this is working, that means I'm on the right track. I sincerely hope each of you have that khujli, जो आपको वहाँ पे बैठने ना दे helplessly, जो आपको force करे कि आप वहाँ से उठे और अपना रास्ता ढूंढे, अपनी खुशियों को चुने. I'm super grateful for this moment, for this new energy, for new dreams, for new equation in my relationship which I enjoy, for new respect I found for myself, for new confidence I glow in, for new supportive group I have, for new light I see myself in, and the whole new tank of love that I reserve just for myself. Thank you so much for this opportunity and honor. Thank you.